The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the trunk. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get in quadruped. So I want hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips like so. You're gonna get a nice, easy, comfortable reach. Now from here, what I want you to do is you're gonna take your hand, whichever one, doesn't matter. You wanna clasp it so your thumb is on the sternum and your fingers are wrapped around the ribs just like so. And I'm gonna get in that position, maintain my reach, and I'm just gonna quietly nasal breathe, and I'm gonna slowly roll down towards my support arm, roll back, use my hand to assist the turn. You're not really forcing like a big stretch, it's really about moving with very little tension. Just back and forth like that. So I'll just show you this from the front. I'm maintaining this reach. Just nice, easy rolls back and forth like that, making sure that you don't sag as you do it. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.